card, I will be taking this cream colored sheet and I will be folding it into half. Now what you have to do is, you have to take an A5 size sheet, half of A4 size, and now you have to draw a bunny on it like this. So like this, we will draw a cute bunny here, and now we just have to cut this bunny out. How you have to cut it out? Let me show you. Just insert the scissor and cut this bunny out like this. So guys, by this method I am cutting down. So now this will be a little uncomfortable in cutting, so I will just leave this part out, and this leftover I'll cut. Like this. First of all, we are going to do for this side, as that side going will be uncomfortable. So like this, cut this part also out. So like this, we've cut out the pretty bunny, and now we just have to cut out these 3 eggs like this. First we'll insert a cut in these bunnies and now cut these out. So like this, I've cut out the eggs also, and now we've obtained it like this. Now what you have to do is, now you have to take some different color sheets like this and cut small strips out of these. So guys, like this you have to cut out different colored strips. And now what we are going to do is, you're going to take this back part and we are going to apply some glue. Now with a paintbrush, we will apply glue on all the parts. So guys, like this, I've applied glue on all parts. And now what you have to do is, you have to start applying these strips one by one on the gluey part. You can put any colored strip you want in this order, and now afterwards we will be cutting the extra strips. So don't take tension if they go a little out. Just place these strips like this in any color order you like and in any sequence. So like this, apply these strips till here. So guys, like this, I've sticked it to the bottom. Now what you have to do is, cut the extra part out here. Like this. Now just remove this part. Now on this sheet, we have to stick this bunny like this. So guys, I've applied glue on this part with my finger so that it spreads well. And now I'm going to just stick it here precisely like this. And now what you have to do is, now I have these set of new washi tapes. So I'm going to just open it, and I'm going to use the green tape here. Let me just remove it like this, and on the borders here I will apply this tape on all the 4 sides like this. So like this, I've applied the washi tape to all the sides, and this card looks amazing. And now what we have to do is, with this green pen I'm gonna write "It's Easter." Like this, and a very beautiful greeting card is ready. So now let's move on for the second greeting card tutorial. For the next card, I'm gonna take this sheet of white paper, and now I'm just gonna fold it here like this. We're gonna fold it like this sheet, and now we are gonna just take this much apart from this and discard the other part. Now You just have to turn this part here, and from here, now from here I'm going to cut this part. Now what we have to do is, on this rough A5 size sheet, with the help of a pencil, we are going to, first of all, I'm going to fold this into half, and draw two cat ears, and I'm gonna cut these cat ears. So we are gonna cut a cat ear like this. We need one more. Now I'm gonna take this sheet and I will fold it into half like this, and just then I will trace this. Just trace this and cut it out. Now what you have to do is, now I have applied some glue on this and I'm gonna paste it on my white sheet and make one bunny here like this, which has to be put. Now make one another also. Now we are gonna stick these two cat ears here like this. Don't mind my hand, guys, because I was just like making this. Take it a little up, like a little here, we'll stick it. And now what you have to do is, I'm gonna draw the eyes and nose. This we'll draw, and here we will stick a heart like this for the nose. I'm gonna do it like this. Like this we are gonna do it now. Now I made these two legs for the bunny, and I'll stick those legs here. One like this and one like this. So it looks pretty cute, and inside it here I will be writing some bunny loves you. So this way a very beautiful and pretty greeting card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how was the video, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.